Okay, good morning students. Welcome to our school online classes. In previous class we completed first exercise, question number 8. In question number 8 we solved first and second, remaining two for homework. The next part of this triangle chapter is properties of triangle. Some properties of triangles. So what are the properties of triangle? What is the use of that properties of triangle? Okay, in first exercise we are all proved congruency of triangles based on a similarity criteria, congruence criteria. For example, side angle side, angle side. With the help of these congruency properties, we proved given two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, with the help of that one. Congruency rule ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು triangles ನ two triangles of congruency we proved congruency of triangles with the help of angle side angle criteria or side angle side criteria or angle side criteria. Then second exercise purely based on we have now second one purely based on the properties of a properties of a triangle. So what are the properties of triangle? In properties of triangle, first theorem is like this. What is the statement? In theorem, statement is very important. With the help of that statement only, we are able to prove some problems. Some next exercise or second, some problems are purely based on this statement. Some problems are purely based on this statement. What is the statement of the theorem? Angles opposite to a angles. Keep in mind, students. Angles opposite to a equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Isosceles triangle means in isosceles triangle two sides are equal to each other. Now A, B, C. Now triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle means AB equal to what? AC. Isosceles triangle. Okay. All equilateral triangles are isosceles triangle, but all isosceles triangles are not equilateral. Now it is an isosceles triangle. Sir, what is an isosceles triangle? How many sides are equal? Two sides are equal. Now ABC is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Now our assumption is AB equal to what? AC. AB equal to BC or you can take AC equal to BC. Now AB equal to AC. Two sides are equal. So what is the statement of theorem 1? Theorem 1 is statement is like this. Angles opposite to the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. It means what it indicates? In isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, what it indicates? In isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. To each other. Therefore, angle B equal to what? Angle C. Theorem statement in isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, there are definitely in isosceles triangle two sides are equal to each other. Two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. AB opposite angle is C is equal to AC opposite angle is B. Therefore, angle B equal to what? Angle C. It means what it indicates? In isosceles triangle, opposite triangles are equal to each other when if AB equal to AC. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal to each other. What is the statement of first theorem? If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal to each other. It means if AB equal to AC, then what will happen? Angle B equal to what? Angle C. Okay. If AB equal to BC, like this, AB equal to AC means what will happen? Angle equal to what? Angle C. If these two equals means their opposite angles are equal to each other. If two sides are equal, definitely their opposite angles are equal to each other. Therefore, what is angle opposite to the equal sides are of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. angles equals equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. It means in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means their opposite angles are equal to each other. And angles equal to each other. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. And another one statement is there, same purely based on this one. The sides opposite to a equal angles of a triangle are equal. It means the sides opposite to reverse order, same it is reverse order. The sides opposite to equal. Second theorem, previous is the first theorem, this is the second theorem. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. It means same as if two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal to each other. If two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. If angle B equal to angle C means what will happen? Angle B equal to angle C. Angle B opposite side is AC equal to angle C opposite side is AB. It means first one, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. If the two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal to each other. Okay? If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. And since second one, if two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal to each other. Their opposite sides are equal to each other. Properties in properties of triangle, two theorem is there. Next exercise purely based on these properties of triangle. It means if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. If two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal to each other. Okay, next exercise. 5.2, first problem. In an isosceles triangle, means isosceles triangle, how many sides are equal? Two sides are equal. In isosceles triangle ABC, which AB equal to what? AC. Same diagram. In isosceles triangle ABC, AB equal to what? AC. The bisector of angle B and angle C. Intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show that. In second exercise, first problem. Join A to O. Show that. First one. OB equal to what? OC. Then second one. AO bisects angle A. OB equal to OC. Second one, AO bisects angle A. Okay. First one, in isosceles triangle ABC, means first ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC. Two sides are equal means AB equal to what? AC. Okay. Next, bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Bisector means this side will divide and angle B in how many parts? Two equal parts. Bisector of angle B and angle C join each other at what? Bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Then join AO. Diagram or Gutila we have to draw. Okay, join AO. Then what we have to prove? First one, OB equal to what? OC. Second one, AO bisects angle A. Okay. First one, second one. First, we have to prove what? OB equal to OC. Okay. First one, solution. Here, what happened? AB equal to what? AC. Or what is there given that? Nodi, ಯಾವ step na ನಾವು carry ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. First one. Given that AB equal to what? AC. It is given. AB equal to what? AC. By properties of triangle, in isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC means their opposite angles are equal. Means angle B equal to what? Angle C. By properties of triangle, in ABC is an isosceles triangle. Yes, okay, an isosceles triangle. If AB equal to AC, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ AB equal to AC. If two sides are equal means their opposite angles are equal to each other. AB opposite side is angle C. AC opposite angle is AC opposite angle is B. Therefore, what happen? Angle B equal to what? Angle C. Complete angle. Complete angle. It means what will happen? Angle ABC equal to what? Angle ACB. By properties of triangular theorem. By theorem. Okay, AB equal to AC with the help of properties of triangle, with the help of properties of triangle, with the help of theorem, AB equal to AC. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal to each other. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal to each other. Their opposite angles are equal to each other. AB equal to AC means angle B equal to what? Angle C. Angle B equal to what? Angle C. Okay. Angle B equal to what? Angle C. AB opposite side is C. AB opposite side is C. Therefore, angle C equal to AB. AB equal to AC. This what started bakpare. AB opposite side is angle ACB equal to what? Angle ABC. AB opposite side is angle C and AC opposite side is angle B. Therefore, angle A equal to angle C. Angle C equal to what? Angle B. Two sides are equal. Their opposite angles are equal to each other. What we have to prove? OB equal to OC. Okay. OB equal to what? OC. Then now BC is the base. Okay. Now BO is the bisector of angle B. Yes or no? Aura ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ B and C. Bisector of angle B and angle C. Therefore, half of angle ACB equal to what? Half of angle ABC. Half of angle ACB. Half means ACB equal to what? Half of angle ABC. It means assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ 50 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If it is 50 degree, ಇದು angle B ನು 50 degree ಇದ್ರೆ angle C is also 50 degree. If angle B is 50 degree means angle C is also 50 degree. If it is 60 degree means it is 60 degree. Then what is the half of this? ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 60 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ half of angle B ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 30 degree. ಇದು half of B 30 degree ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this half is also equal. ಇದನ್ನು 60 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು 60 ಇದೆ. What is the half of this 60? 30 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then what is the half of this 60? ಇದನ್ನು 30 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 8 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. both are 80 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If 80 means half of 80 is 40. If angle B equal to means angle C both are 80 degree means half of 80 is 40 means what about this half? This is also 40. Therefore 40 equal to what? 40. It means half of angle ACB equal to what? Half of angle ABC. Half of angle ACB equal to what? Half of angle OBC. Then what will happen? What is the half of angle ACB? ACB. Half of angle divide means half of angle means what will happen? Half of ACB. ಈ ಎಂಟರ್ ACB ನಲ್ಲಿ half part ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ half part ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ OCB, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ OCO. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ OCB and ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ACO. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ OCB ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ equally divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. bisect equally divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Therefore half of ACB means what will happen? Angle OCB equal to what angle? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ OCB ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then what are this one? half part ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? OBC. Cardinal equation number 1. OCB equal to what? OBC. Cardinal equation number 1. Okay. Now, okay, then OCB equal to what? OBC. Cardinal equation number 1. OCB first one and another one is OBC. Cardinal equation number 1. Cardinal equation number 1. Cardinal equation number 1 and as what? This is half part OBC what equal to OCB. If angle this one, angle B equal to angle C, half part. First one, ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If angle B equal to angle C, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ angle B equal to what? Angle C. Angle B equal to what? Angle C. If two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. If two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. Equal means angle B opposite side is AC. Then angle C opposite side is BO. Then what will happen? C opposite side is BO equal to what? B opposite is OC. Therefore, BO equal to what? OC. Call as equation number 2. Call as equation number 2. Call as equation number 2. First in the notice. First we have to prove OB equal to OC. First we have to prove OB equal to OC. Therefore, BO nothing but OB equal to OC. BO, OB both are same. Therefore, OB equal to what? OC. This one is the proof. First in the first part. Okay. First, in triangle, in isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC. Then angle B and bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Then join O. And this one is the question. Then what we have to prove? OB equal to OC. Then second one, A bisects angle A. First one, First one. Okay, AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC means by properties of triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. If AB equal to what? AC. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. It means if AB equal to AC means their opposite angles means AB opposite angle is C. Complete angle agutte. Complete triangle means complete angle. Therefore, angle ACB equal to AC opposite side is ABC. If two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, because if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay. If two angles are equal, if it is 150 degree means it is up to 50. If it is 60 means it is 60. If it is 70 means it is 70. Therefore, half of this part is also equal to half of this part. If total all are equal means their half is also equal. All parts is equal means their half part is also equal. So half ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Because bisector. BO is bisector. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Bisector ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು half ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Half of angle ACB equal to half of angle ABC. Because is equal means their half is also equal. Half of angle ACB equal to half of angle ABC. Okay. Then what is the half of angle? Half of angle ABC. Half of angle ABC ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? BO is the bisector. BO is the bisector means equal part ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then what will happen? Angle O half of angle ACB. ACB half angle ಆಗ್ತದೆ OCB half of this one part ಎರಡು equal part ಆಗಿ divide ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore, angle half of angle ACB. This is complete angle. Their half part is OCB. equal to ಸರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು OCB ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ AOC ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಓಕೆ AOC ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ then OCB ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು OC ನ AOC ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ then half of ACB equal to half part this first part and second part first part ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ OCB equal to then what is the half of angle ABC OBC if two angles are equal next long triangle ನಾವು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು this OBC ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು OBC only OBC ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು like this OBC it means now angle B equal to what angle C OBC angle B equal to what angle C again by properties of triangle second theorem if two angles are equal their opposite sides are equal if two first time if two sides are equal means their opposite angles are equal if their opposite angles are equal means if two angles are equal their opposite sides are equal means angle B opposite side is AC C opposite angle side is AB therefore what will happen OB equal to what OC therefore C opposite side C opposite side is how much what is the C opposite side of C angle C opposite angle side of the OB equal to angle B opposite angle side of OC therefore OB equal to what OC therefore OB equal to what OC hence proved OB equal to what OC hence proved second and prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ AO bisects angle A AO bisects angle A it means AO bisects angle A means AO ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ angle A ನ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ what it indicates AO will divide angle A in how many parts two equal parts means we have to prove this equal to this AO bisects angle means angle A will divide AO in how many parts two equal parts means in that what we have to prove this part equal to this part nothing but what will happen BAO ನಾವೇನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು BAO equal to CAO this part equal to this part ಅವರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ what it indicates AO bisects angle means indirectly angle A becomes how many parts two equal parts it becomes two equal parts. Okay, indirectly what we have to prove second one. Okay, second one solution. Second one we have to prove AO bisects angle A means angle this equal to what angle this equal to what it means angle this angle equal to this angle. Okay, it means both the triangle which triangle ABO or ACO AOB or AO equal to what because proved. Okay, in triangle AOB and triangle OAC all sides are equal. All sides are equal means by which criteria? By side. By which criteria? By side criteria. If all sides are equal, in two triangles all sides are equal, by side criteria, both the triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, by yes, triangle AOB is congruent with what? Triangle AOC. Triangle AOB is congruent with what? Triangle AOC. If two triangles are congruent to each other by CPCT, if two triangles are congruent to each other by CPCT, what will happen? Angle BOA by CPCT, angle BAO by CPCT, angle BAO equal to what angle? CAO. CAO by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles by CPCT and BAO means indirectly AO bisects angle A means angle A equal part divide means half part becomes angle triangle AOB, half part belongs to triangle ACO. AOB AOC ಈ ಕಡೆ half part ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ half part ಆಗ್ತದೆ. We have to prove these two are equal. If these two are equal means first we have to consider in triangle AOB and triangle AOC AB equal to AC it is given equal to AO because it is a common for both the triangle. Then OB equal to OC it is proved. By all sides are equal means by side criteria these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent means by CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Therefore, and B what will happen? BAO equal to what? CAO. It means indirectly if two angles are equal means AO bisects angle A. AO bisects angle A nothing but this part equal to this part. Therefore, AO bisects angle A. 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 Okay. Second problem. Diagram ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In triangle ABD, AD is the perpendicular bisector. Keep in mind, students. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector of the BC shown in the diagram. Okay. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. In which AB equal to what? AC. In which AB equal to what? AC. If AB equal to AC means if two sides are equal means it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle and AB equal to what? AC. Okay, diagram ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. Diagram is given. ABC. Then AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of the BC. Okay, we have to prove AB equal to AC. We have to prove AB equal to AC. If two sides are equal means ABC is an isosceles triangle. Solution first. Now after AD is the perpendicular bisector means AD will divide ABC in how many triangles? Two triangles. AD ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ABC ನ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. Our intention is like this, we have to prove AB equal to what? AC. Okay. If we first we have to consider in a triangle ADB and triangle ADC. First we have to consider these 2 points. Okay, in triangle ADB and triangle ADC we have to prove AB equal to AC. AB ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ AB ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ADB ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, AC ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ADC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು AD equal to AC prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ automatically ABC is in which triangle? Isosceles triangle. It is our final intention. Before going to this one, ADB ನಲ್ಲಿ AB ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ACD ನಲ್ಲಿ AC side ಬರ್ತದೆ. It means first we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Means first if we prove ADB ಮತ್ತು ADC ಎರಡು congruent ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ by CPCT automatic what will happen? AB equal to what? AC. It means now our first intention is like this, we have to prove triangle ADB is congruent with what? Triangle ADC. We have to do triangle congruent ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ by CPCT their corresponding parts are equal. Their corresponding parts means AB equal to what? AC. And AB equal to AC means automatically triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means first we have to consider triangle ADB and triangle ACD. Okay, what will happen? Angle ADB equal to angle ADC because both are 90 degree perpendicular bisector. Okay, perpendicular means AD perpendicular on BC. If it is 90 degree means it is also 90 degree. ADB equal to what? ADC. Both are 90 degree. ADB equal to what? ADC. Both are 90 degree. Okay. Both are ADB equal to what? ADC. Both are 90 degree. ADB equal to what? ADC. Both are 90 degree. Next. Then AD equal to AD. Common side for both the triangle. AD equal to what? AD because it is common side for both the triangle. AD equal to what? AD is common side. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ AD is the perpendicular bisector. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ AD will divide BC in how many parts? Two equal parts. AD will divide BC in how many parts? Two equal parts. Means what will happen? Length of the BD equal to what? DC. Therefore BD equal to what? DC because AD is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of BC. Bisector of BC. It means AD ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. It means AD ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? BC ನ equal part ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Two equal part ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. BD equal to what? DC. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? In triangle ADB now consider what side yaga BD and AD. This one is considered as included angle. In ADC nalli AD and BC, this one is the included side. Idana consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, included side consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. If you are considering these two sides means this is the included angle. If you are considering these two sides means this one is the included angle. Now side angle in a triangle, in a two triangles, two sides and included angle is equal to another triangle two sides and included angle by side angle side by SAS triangle ADB is congruent with what? Triangle ADC. ADB is congruent with what? Triangle ADC. If these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT their corresponding parts are already ಇದೊಂದು equal prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇದೊಂದು equal prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. In corresponding part by CPCT AB equal to what? AC. By CPCT AB equal to what? AC. If AB equal to AC means therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal means their opposite sides are sorry, in the triangle two sides are equal means it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore AB equal to first in the nodi now when prove madana ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle means we have to prove AB equal to AC. Okay, and AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then it means first we have to prove triangle AD is congruent to what triangle ADC. ಎರಡು equal ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ by CPCT AB equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ AC. automatic AB equal to AC ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ automatically ABC is an isosceles ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Next it means our intention is like this, we have to prove AB equal to what AC. Okay, then first angle D equal to angle E, both are 90 degree. AD equal to AD is common side and AD is the perpendicular on BC means AD ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ BC ರ equal part divide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It means the length of the BD equal to what length of the DC. Then side angle side by SAS congruence rule. Triangle ABD AD is congruent with what triangle ADC. Two triangles are congruent by CPCT. AB equal to what AC. If AB equal to AC means automatically triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, that is a doubt ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ.